Hi, hello everyone. This is Gowrishankar, Assistant Professor of English, Dr. SNSRCAS College of Arts and Science. Today I am here to deliver you the lecture of phonetics. What is meant by phonetics? In my previous video, I have discussed that why we are not able to improve our English, and in the next video, I have given you few solutions that we have identified to improve English language. And also, we have discussed about the organs of speech, that is the speech organs which are used in pronouncing a sound, are the organs which are used to speak. Those things we have seen in the previous classes. So now we can move to the topic phonetics. So what is meant by phonetics? The study of the sounds of human speech. That is, when we speak, what are the organs we use, or how the sounds are produced, that we call as the phonetics, or we call it as a branch of linguistics that focuses on the production and classification of world's speech sounds. So it is a linguistic. Linguistics is nothing but a language. So to speak any language in the world, we need few sounds that we call as the phonetics. The study of the production and perception of speech sounds. That is how the sound is produced and how the sound is perceived, that we call as the phonetics. So in phonetics there are three types of phonetics: articulatory, acoustic, and auditory. Articulatory is nothing but the organ where the sound is produced and the organs how the sound is produced, that we call as the articulatory. So often we used to think that a sound is produced in our mouth parts. Yeah, the sounds are produced by use of the mouth parts, but where the sound starts, every sound starts from our lungs, then passes through a windpipe, trachea, larynx, vocal cords, and then the use of mouth organs, the sound is produced. The second, acoustic, the wave, that is how sound is passed or transferred from one person to other person, that we call as acoustic. Auditory is nothing but hearing, how the sound is perceived or how the sound is received by the listener, that we call as a auditory. So we have 26 alphabets. In 26 alphabet we have 21 consonants and 5 vowels. When we come to English language or English sounds, we have 44 sounds which we use to speak or to communicate. So these 44 sounds are segregated into 24 consonants and 20 vowels. That is, the 21 consonants that which are in the alphabet gives us the 24 different sounds, and the 5 vowels from the alphabet gives us 20 different vowel sounds. Among the 20, 12 sounds we call as the pure vowels or monophthongs, which are single sounded vowel, and remaining 8 we call as diphthongs. Diphthong is nothing but the combination of two vowels to form a single vowel sound, that we call as the diphthongs. So totally we have 8 and 12 pure vowels, together the 20 vowel sounds. So consonants were different categories like plosives, fricates, affricates, nasal sounds, gliding consonant, and lateral consonant. So these are the basic of phonetics. Thank you all for listening. So as we end each and every video with a proverb, here I used to give you a proverb that a worst man always gives a best advice. That is, for example, a doctor who smokes more will say you not to smoke because he knows how the smoke would have affected or made him addicted to the concerned thing. or a drunkard who has been lost his life because of drinking. That's why we say that a worst man can always give the best advice. Thank you. Thank you all.